Good afternoon, everyone. This is the last topic in metal finishing chapter, which is called as Electroless plating of nickel. It is similar to that of already we discussed, known as Electroless plating of copper. Here, the metallic surface to be plated is first washed with an organic solvent or with an alkali solution, followed by acid wash, which is called as pickling, to remove the oxide scales and hardly added impurities. If the if the substrate is a non-metallic object, it should be activated by dipping it in a stannous chloride, followed by dipping it in a palladium chloride bath composition. After drying the object, there is a thin layer of palladium which is going to deposit on the substrate of on the surface of the substrate. If you see the electroless plating bath condition here, electrolyte solution we are using it as nickel chloride. Reducing agent we are using sodium hypophosphate. Buffer we are going to use acetate buffer, and the pH is maintained around 4 to 5. If you see the pH also, it is an acidic pH. Complexing agent we are using here as a sodium succinate. The question comes, what is the role of a complexing agent? To maintain low metal ion concentration in the solution when the metal content of the solution is high. That is the purpose we are using complexing agent. It will maintain the concentration of metal ion low. Temperature we are maintaining slightly higher than the room temperature, which is around 45 to 60 degrees Celsius, and cathode is article to be plated. So before plating, it should be pre-treated. If you see the electrode reactions, anodic reaction is the sodium hypophosphate reducing agent which reacts with the water molecule to liberate 2 electrons, and the 2 electrons liberated will react at the cathode, which is a reduction reaction, to give out nickel, which is having a zero oxidation state, which is going to deposit on the surface of the substrate. If you see the overall reaction, hypophosphate plus water plus nickel 2 plus of nickel chloride to give nickel plus hypo triphosphate plus 2H plus. Now both the cell reactions takes place on the surface of the substrate itself, as there is a liberation of H plus ion in the ions in the while doing the reaction. The pH tend to keep on decreasing, hence to maintain the required pH, suitable buffer are used. Applications of nickel electroless plating of nickel are used on industrial components such as pistons, gears, pumps, parts of hydraulic systems, and they are also employed to coat steel, metallized plastic parts, and printed circuit board. Sometimes it is also used to obtain wear resistant surface. Thank you.